Hello my friends, how are you today? So I've made some cool little wooden fences here. They're for the diorama. I'm going to make a couple more, so not quite finished yet, but that's what they're going to look like. And they're going to go on this part here of the diorama. So we'll put it something like that. Have a little gap there. So I might make another one or two, put them like that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to put in this spot yet, so I'm just building. So first of all, we'll put a fence, and then, I don't know, we'll build some rubble or something, and maybe put a few graves in or something like that. I'm not sure, but I think the main thing is just to build. When you don't know, you just start building. So got the fences going. I reckon they're pretty cool. Made them out of the offcuts. Come up all right, just with my hobby knife. Carved out the back there. So I'll make a few more of those. Got this nearly finished, so just sand that back and that's nearly ready to go. And then we can put these in, because so the brickwork I've done, so the base coat is finally dry. That took a while to dry. So what I'll do now is I'll colour in a few more of the bricks in a dark colour, and we'll do some dry brushing. Then I'll seal it up and tape it up, and then we'll paint the next part. But yeah, not looking too bad. That orange looks nice that I made up. Mix some of the yellow green with some of that red, and it made this really sort of nice orange. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So that'll go on like so, and then we'll put this here like so, and that is how it will be, like that. So I'm not sure how we're going to tie this. Maybe something like that. I'm not sure how I'm going to tie this up yet. Don't know. Sorry. But yeah, it's coming along really good. I'm really happy with my little fences. I reckon they're cool. They're not too bad. I measured them up. They're, I think, 40 mil high and 50 mil wide. Seems to be a pretty good fence size. So I'll make a couple more of them, and then the diorama is nearly ready for painting. I can't wait. I've been working on this for ages. Well, not too far now. Alright, I'll see you again soon.